What time is it? It's happy hour, courtesy Solo Coconut Flavoured Water. So I want to thank the folks at Solo Flavoured Coconut Water for making this one possible. It's happy hour on Cup of Joe After Dark, and when I want drinks, I call Tyrone.
Joe, it's a pleasure to be here after dark.
After dark, yes. After dark. When we come big.
We come big.
Yeah,
man. We know this.
Tyrone is going to mix up something using Solo Flavoured Coconut Water.
Yes.
What are you doing for us tonight, sir?
Okay, so I'm going to be doing something called a coconut tropical dream, right?
Go right
so
ahead.
I'm going to be starting here with
coconut tropical
2 ounces of a delicious dark rum. So this cocktail, in essence, is a Tiki style cocktail.
Tiki style?
Yes, definitely.
So,
have you ever had a Tiki style cocktail?
I've had a Tiki.
You've had a Tiki?
You've had a Tiki? Hey, brother, if you're from Trinidad, you must have a Tiki, yeah?
Yes.
You know what I mean?
All right, Tiki boys.
Yes.
Yeah, all right.
Right, so this here is a cherry herring liqueur. It's found in some classical cocktails such as the Singapore Sling.
Right.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
The base of it is cherry. It's beautiful. All right. So here now, I have my base. I'm going to be adding our Solo Coconut Water. Right.
So it's coconut flavored water. It's not actually coconut water.
No, it's flavored as well, but it's damn good. You know what I mean? It's one of the best substitutes if you have. All right. So from here, I'm going to be topping up with some crushed ice. And this is the fun part about Tiki cocktails, you know. We're using actual crushed ice.
Right.
And here now, this cocktail holds to our Trinidad very own Queen's Park Swizzle, where we do our swizzle.
Our swizzle. You want me to swizzle one for you?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right. So we go in swizzling. All right. So this is just the mixed ingredients.
Right.
Let me just add some more ice.
I got some swizzling callaloo now. So I swizzle for a little while, you know. I swizzle for a little while.
Right.
So, yeah.
I know you love to cook on a Sunday.
Yeah.
Sunday's your day just to get away and cook.
Callaloo is my thing.
Yes.
Swizzle. Yeah. I don't like blended callaloo, like swizzle callaloo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
With the old school swizzle stick.
Yeah, that's right. I don't do the blended callaloo business.
Right. So Joe, here we have some pureed mangoes.
Right.
And in here I actually have Julie mango and our local favorite starch mangoes.
Starch. I love it. I
So
love starch, you know.
Me too.
I love
You know the war is always between starch mango and Julie mango. So whichever is your favorite, put the 2, use 1.
So you put the both of them in there?
I put the both
You put the both
with
of them.
some banana as well. So we have the banana inside here.
Right.
Right, so this is how we get in our tropical feel to this cocktail. And in here now, I actually have pineapple and orange mix. Right? So here by combining the flavors together, you know, it saves on having too many different ingredients, but you actually get the enjoyment of these tropical flavors. All right?
I can't wait.
So we have there. So from here now, I'm just going to swizzle this. You know, the swizzle stick actually is made by the Bolele tree. Right? It's found in Trinidad and it's found in some Caribbean islands as well. Right? Martinique being one of them. But the history behind the tree is that the stick itself actually has a bit of seasoning, what we call it, or spicy notes, which lends to the cocktail as well. Right? So in the early days, when you now pick the stick and you use it and you shave it, it would have lent flavor to the cocktail. So I'm just topping up with some nice crushed ice here.
That looks good.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Looks really nice.
I'm just gonna put a little cherry herring on top of this. All right. My garnish for this would be 2 pineapple leaves. All right. Gonna be adding here some fresh citrus.
Orange?
Yeah.
I know you don't want to pick them thing off the tree before you leave to come down there.
Yeah, if the neighbor gone out in time, I'll time him. And I say, hey, I have something down by Joe. I could use 2 of them.
2 orange, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, you don't want like that.
All right, but the neighbor doesn't mind. When he has something to drink, you know who to check, right?
So it's a fair trade off.
It's a fair trade-off.
Yeah. Orange, you will get drinks.
Yes,
yeah,
correct.
Yeah.
All right, Joe. So here we have our beautiful cocktail. It's called the coconut swizzle.
Coconut swizzle.
Yes. All
You
right.
doing straws? Which straws you doing?
Yeah, we're doing some
You doing
straws.
some straws?
Yeah, we do. No, we're not doing pink, right?
You're not doing pink.
Bad man don't use pink.
Bad man don't use
You understand? Bad man does use
Bad man don't use pink.
yellow,
Yellow.
right? So we could go with that.
Bad man.
Or we could go with blue.
Bad man
right?
does use yellow.
Yeah, so
Thank
this
you
fun,
very much. Huh?
fun cocktail.
Brother,
The swizzle.
you eat, time to drink. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.